everyone, it's Anetja Fairydust Nails again. And now, after I've taken all my stuff off my nails, I've put on new tips, prepped them, done everything. So now, I've already done this hand, but I've still got a buff and put on top coat. But before I do that, I want to finish my other hand. So what we're going to do is do dehydrator. My nails, my hands are looking so bad from all this garden work. There we go. And we're just going to prep this. I'm going to use Glam Pro Non-Acid Primer. I'm just going to make double sure. I normally just, when my nails are in very bad condition like they are, because of all the, you know, the work that I've done with paint and acetone and all these kind of stuff, I just put a second layer on. Okay, so we are prepped. I'm also going to use my number 12 Glam Pro Velena brush. Just make sure that my brush is 100% clean. It doesn't look like it is. It looks like there's a bit of a sticky piece there. You know, because working with your non-dominant hand is a bit of a bugger, if I can put it that way. Okay, so what I do is a little bit of clear acrylic. Just put it on so that I have a protective layer after I've done all the colors. And when I take off all these colors. Just a very thin layer to protect the natural nail. So then when you do a design and you buff it off, you don't have to take everything off. As soon as you reach the clear layer, you are safe to put your next design on the nail. You don't have to take everything off. There we go. Nearly done with the clear. Tilting downwards so that nothing runs into the cuticle. And I work with a kind of a wet bead, so if it does, just make sure that you clean it up immediately. Last little one, little finger. Okay, so now the fun part for today was that I made a glitter mix with about 10 or 12 of my glitters all together. So now I'm just going to have a bit of a cover pink at the back. I'm just fading it down. And then I've used different colors to do the nails. You see, that was like a dark pinky one. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put it at the end of the tip, like that, and just fade it upwards so that I do have the pinky background. Just adding a little bit more. Taking it right to the corner. There we go. You'll see it looks a little bit blotchy, but I don't really care because I am now going to take the glitter, start here. I've just mixed it with a little bit of clear acrylic. Oh, there's the butterfly. I've taken a bit too much. I just spread them out here so that if I want to use some of the pieces again. Oh yes, that looks great. Just fading it. There we go. Now we're going to do the purple one. So I'm going to fade it to the bottom. Bottom as in tilting the down. Oh, sorry, tilting the nail down. Okay. Take a bit of purple. Again, tilting the nail down. But now I'm going to start at the tip. And just kind of pull it towards the cover pink. It's a fast, easy, simple way, especially for me. I want my nails to look good, but I don't have much time to spend on it. This is just the easy way for me of doing it. Okay, there we go. You are going to encapsulate all of this in of course a clear. So we want a star. Just grabbing a bit more. Nice. That one done. Cover pink. Color. Put it down. Fade it up because the cover pink is still wet, so yeah. Put it down. Oh, nice butterfly right there. These hearts that I've put in here, it's like they're a bit thick. So, I'm not too keen on them. These ones. So you've got to press them down nicely so that they actually go into the acrylic. Put it down. Clean my brush. It's running. Just guide it downwards. There we go. Now, just cleaning off my brush a little bit. Light blue, of course. Just waiting for it to polymerize a little bit. Fade to the side. Fade upwards. Clean brush. Now I'm just patting to make sure that it's right to the side. And also that it's right to the tip. Got enough powder on there to just dab it into place. There we go. Clean brush. Take a bit of glitter. I should have put in a little bit more. Just pressing it down. Just cleaning up. My bead was a bit wet. I faded it upwards. My bead was a little bit too big. Just make sure that I've got it right to the tip of the nail. Now, take a bit of glitter. Oh, there's the star that I was looking for. There's another one. There we go. So now I'm going to encapsulate this. And then I'll be back and then I'll show you a picture of when it's all done. Thank you for watching so much. And I'll do another video tomorrow. Cheers, guys. Bye.